In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand and collapse mind map trees in draw.io, now called app.diagrams.net, when you're working inside Confluence or Jira. If you're building mind maps for projects, documentation, or planning, keeping things organized and readable is really important. Large mind maps can quickly become overwhelming, and that's where tree folding comes in. Tree folding lets you hide or reveal branches of your mind map so you can focus on exactly the level of detail you need at any moment. First, open your diagram in Confluence or Jira, either in the editor if you're making changes or in the viewer if you're just reviewing. You'll notice that certain nodes, usually the parent nodes with child branches, have small plus or minus icons next to them. These icons are your main controls for folding and unfolding the tree. To collapse a section of your mind map, simply click the minus icon next to a parent node. All the child nodes connected to that parent will be hidden, leaving just the parent visible. This is great for simplifying the view when a branch is not immediately relevant. To bring those details back, click the plus icon that appears in the same place, and the child nodes will expand again. You can repeat this process on different parent nodes to tailor the view to exactly what you want to focus on. If you don't see these plus or minus icons at all, there's a good chance that tree folding is not enabled for your diagram. To turn it on, make sure you are in the editor, then look to the right-hand side for the Format panel. With your node selected, go to the Style tab in that panel. In this area, you'll find the option related to tree folding. Enabling it will activate the expand and collapse functionality for your mind map. There is also another way to control this feature. In the top menu of the draw.io editor, you can open the Extras menu. Inside that menu, look for an option labeled Collapse or Expand, or something similar depending on your version. Using this toggle lets you quickly enable or adjust folding behavior without digging through too many settings. Once tree folding is enabled, you can navigate large mind maps much more efficiently. Collapse sections you're not working on, expand only the branches that matter right now, and keep your Confluence and Jira pages clean and easy to read.